Hi guys, this is the unboxing video. It's raining heavily, so the noise will be there. The voice quality won't be great, so I apologize for the bad voice quality. This is my new mobile phone I bought through Amazon. It is Redmi Note 8 Pro. I'm unboxing it. This is my brand new Redmi Note 8 Pro phone, and you can see that this is a brand new one and the seal has not been broken. I am breaking it for the first time. Usually if I buy from a mobile shop, the seal will be broken. The shopkeeper would have opened it and checked the mobile out. So while buying online, they will seal it like this. Maybe they would have opened it, but they will seal it. Okay, I'm opening it. This is my first video. So this is my phone. It's Hello White Redmi Note 8 Pro phone. Yeah, and what's in it? I think I have a cover also with this one. A back cover, I guess I have. I have a back cover also with this phone. What else is there? There is a charger. That's it.